When making decisions, involve some of your team members to allow them to feel invested and have that sense of ownership and accountability, and that will trickle down into the team. Hi, Bobby Fernandez here, performance coach at Agency Performance Partners. And thank you so much to all my ridiculously amazing insurance agents out there joining me for this video. Today, I want to talk to you about gaining teams buy-in. And this is so critical with our leadership development. Our leaders really need to understand and know how important it is to gain our team's buy-in. And you might be saying, Bobby, that's great, but how do we do that? Team buy-in is really that collective commitment of the team to work towards the agency's goals and vision. And it is really critical to achieving success in any organization, not just insurance agencies. Change is inevitable, and we are always going to go through change. And so our leaders having the ability to help our team buy into those changes is going to be imperative for our success. It really does ensure that everyone is aligned and motivated and working towards a common objective. And that really significantly improves productivity and morale within your agency. So, how do we do this? Well, one of the biggest things that we need to do is we really need to be able to communicate the vision of the agency effectively. You may know in your mind what that looks like, but we have to be able to communicate that to our leaders, and then our leaders actually need to be able to communicate that vision effectively to the rest of the team. Everyone at the agency should really feel comfortable and connected to the goals and understand what they are. The second thing is you want to involve the team. Now, I'm not saying you need a whole team to make a decision on things. What you need is a sampling of that team, people to be your cheerleaders and people that other people look to as samples of exemplified leadership within that team. That way they'll follow these people when they give them that directive. So when making decisions, involve some of your team members to allow them to feel invested and have that sense of ownership and accountability, and that will trickle down into the team. The next thing we want to do is we want to recognize and reward. This will reinforce the value of your team's efforts. Everyone wants to do a good job and they want to really know what that means. And so when they're making an effort, help boost morale by rewarding that good behavior that you want to see. Studies really do show that highly engaged teams show an increase in profitability of over 20%. So getting our team's buy-in is going to be super important when changes need to happen within the organization. And developing your leaders to understand how to do that is going to be critical to the success of your organization and help you reign victorious. So if you need to learn more about this, please go out and check out our Agency Ascend program. This is going to be great for you to develop your leaders. Also, if you need help boosting your customer retention, we can help. Check out our blog on customer retention strategies. So we are here as your best friend for your agency, and we look forward to hearing from you and talking to you soon. Thank you and have a great day.